Go on, hope all is well with you guys. So today's video is going to be on Minister Marian All, formerly known as the Lady Saw, and this is coming from the Jamaica Star, and it reads: Minister Marian Hall denied visa reserved for people with extraordinary ability. When I said this earlier today, I was like, wait, what? Them denied Lady Saw? Because she's mostly known as Lady Saw. It's not a form of disrespect, because she really wants to become Minister Marian All. You just automatically just said Lady Saw. I was like, them deny her visa for what? Anyway, this is what the Star is saying. When I was Lady Saw, I got all these O1 visas. They're given to people of status like celebrities. In this time here, when the virus is going around, I couldn't believe that I just now get the letter of denial to say, since you've become a gospel artist, we no longer see you as that person with status. The once regaining Queen of Dancehall said in a floating video around the internet. And you can get the full story. The Star did provide the link and all that. I was searching for that video, but however, I haven't seen it as yet. If I get it, I can always add it in. But I was like, wait, so because she's Christian now, them deny her, isn't she still a celebrity? She still have her status, yo. And then Bounty Killer comment, I think Scatterbarrel comment, and I was like, wow, them deny her visa basically because she's a gospel artist now. Alright, that's it for the story. Again, if you want the whole full story, I say you can check the Jamaica Star, and I have the link underneath it. You can click it and open the whole thing. Alright.